Today we're going to be doing a full oil and filter service on my Mark III Octavia. For most people, the first thing they do when they do a service is jack the front of the car up, undo the sump plug, drain the engine oil out. Tempting though that is, it's actually better practice to add an additive to the oil known as an engine flush. That will track all of the deposits in the engine, all of the sludge, and it will raise it up into suspension in the oil so that when you drain the oil out, all of that sediment will come with the oil, which will mean that your engine is much cleaner for when the fresh oil goes in. So let's get into it. Just a case of gradually easing these clips off. That's it. Same on this other side as well. So level good access to the engine. It's quite straightforward to locate the drain plug. Just be aware it's going to come out quite quickly, so it's a good idea to try and keep the pressure going inward on it while you're unscrewing it. And it's going to come out for some time now, honestly. And that's it. So it's kind of hard to see on the video there, but all I did was got my screwdriver in the top there, opened it up, which widened that gap there, and then pulled that lever back. So that now allows us to have a bit of movement on that wiring loom. It'd be nice to get this out of the way as well. But you can see the little grey tab there. That tab needs to come out, and then can be used as a lever to pull the whole thing out. So let's get the screwdriver in. There you go. That's how you get it out. Right, now that tab's out, you just put your finger on there, squeeze it like that. Start to pull, give it a little bit of encouragement, not too much, so you might break something, and away it comes. That's it. Now you can get an oil filter drain tool which goes into there and it drains all the oil out of the filter before you take the filter off, which is a fabulous piece of kit. I'm told if you've put a screwdriver in there it has the same effect, but I'm going to get 32mm socket on that. And I really hope this video is helpful. If it is, do please consider hitting the like and subscribe button. Back to the video. Stick it in there, noting it's on the second row in. Cut it out. Use metal filters. There we go. Fresh oil. So. There it is. That's tucked up, that's fine. So release the bungee. Stick this one back in here. Push that grey tab in. Now we just need to refill the oil. It'll take 4.6 litres of oil, that's about 3/4 of a litre, so we want about 3.8 litres really. But you don't want it to be at the top of the dipstick. Generally, it doesn't do your car any favours. It allows the pressure to build to a higher level within the crankcase. That leads to higher crankcase pressure, that leads to more blowback, or more carbon deposits, so it's actually a good idea to set the oil level a little bit lower than maximum. Just checking that at least 25. Once all done, just pop it off, move it away, pull the old one out, Got a man filter here. I always use man if possible. It's just the best brand that I've found you can get. Many of the car manufacturers use man filters as standard, often rebadge them, white label them, etc. If you're getting man, you know you're getting great quality. So that goes in, nice and simple. And that's it, it's as simple as that. Top goes on, get those bolts back in. There are no particular torque settings for these bolts. Great thing about these drivers is they click off at quite a low torque, so you know you won't damage anything like this. That's it. Okay, so to reset the oil service light, all you do is simply hold down this set button here, hold it down, turn the ignition on, and it will say reset oil service, reset inspection service. And if you don't, if you hold it down, it will scroll through both. So I'll just show you that again because it's really quick. So take your key out, hold down the button, put your key in, turn it on, reset oil service, yep, service reset. So you literally just take your finger off, press it again, once the option you want is on the screen, and it will reset for you there. I'm also going to reset the inspection service as well, because I've given the car a good thorough inspection. So I'll take the key out, turn it off, hold down our finger there again, put it in, reset the oil service, reset inspection service, press it, service reset. There we go. So all the service counters are finished. Hope that helps someone. And please be sure to hit subscribe to make sure that you get notified of other future videos.